Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Digital currencies have continuously plagued the standard awareness and built up forward movement. Notwithstanding, a large number of them neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will keep on doing so give it a mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this is conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for, fun. Axie Infinity is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie Infinity is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can acquire the AXS crypto by playing the game, and AXS tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT game increases huge ubiquity around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the biological system and ETH according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Axie Infinity, AXS, defining infinite possibilities. Drawing motivation from Pokémon personality-based universe, Axie Infinity permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming capacities, fighting, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources in Axie hereditary information are just versatile outsiders that license the whole ecospace of engineers to track down the premise of their own apparatuses and encounters. Established as of late in 2018, albeit the Axie convention is still in an early phase of its commencement, Axie has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of day-to-day, week after week, and month-to-month dynamic clients. Being a significant income worker for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has created north of 6,400 ETH up till now. From one viewpoint, Axie represents a gaming and diversion time, on the other, it mirrors a social obligationist team wherein it sets out business open doors for masses and fabricates a mood of solid local area cutting the guide to a reasonable stage. Clients can claim the local Axie Infinity token of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily growing universe of games. Trying to be positioned as the main clear decision in game income acquiring stages, the local token AXS is a definitive decision to make longs for flexible procuring prospects materialize. Axie Infinity has extraordinary help from parent Axie Infinity Foundation contributes fundamentally to swarm deals. Be that as it may, going by the specialized cost examination, the Axie Infinity biological system has shown gigantic potential, reliably exhibiting the secret potential. AXS today shows a significant recuperation showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for by notwithstanding the unfavorable cryptographic money market patterns. Contending with partners like Stellar and Ethereum, Axie Infinity is positioned among the best 10 monetary standards. Axie Infinity, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of speculation commendable monetary standards in light of fundamental functionalities. This crypto resource is yet to build up forward momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn potential. Axie Infinity technical analysis. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,284.51, Axie Infinity's ongoing cost activity reflects moderate remedy. The AXS cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to shock clients according to the most recent news reports with respect to the NFT blast. Axie Infinity has an ongoing circling supply of 60,907,500 AXS, and the pioneers behind Axie Infinity are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Infinity has a great deal of values to observe for its fans according to their specialized examination. In view of our Axie Infinity gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $505.415. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,000.59%. There is a slump anticipated in the long haul, and Axie Infinity might lose sheen showing a negative sign by the start of 2023, so essentially, this is the perfect opportunity to trade Axie Infinity or purchase Axie Infinity. As per our Axie Infinity Gauge and specialized examination, the AXS cost could stay in an upturn and cross $63.54 before the current year's over, which will make it a wise venture. Axie Infinity cost has a promising future. It might get insignificantly influenced, however bulls will be back, and around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie Infinity might skyrocket to $3,462.061, making it a wise speculation, and the pattern proceeds. Axie Infinity cost, going by what it was in August 2020, sounds profoundly bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By December 2022, the AXS cost ought to handily swing around $53.172, making it a productive speculation. Independent of its reception, the AXS cost confronted heat until Jan 2022. Going by expectations that bulls might be back, Axie Infinity cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024, $59.06, best case scenario, showing some obstruction level. Being founded on a coherent calculation, Axie Infinity's future cost has both momentary conventions as well as long-haul expected benefits. The cost might reach $163 end of December 2022, showing a remarkable moving normal. Be that as it may, brokers ought to do their own exploration prior to financial planning. Instability is the intrinsic trait of Axie Infinity, thus any kind of fantastical value expectation would be a tough errand. Be that as it may, going by the master value figure and feelings, the temperament looks quite good. Since the previous month, Axie Infinity, AXS, cost has mirrored a colossal convention. Will the most recent headways assist the AXS with valuing to exchange higher? We should continue with the impartial crypto estimate for the AXS token. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, AXS token is good to go to confirm areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost taking Axie Infinity shards, AXS, to cross all boundaries scaling the $63.54 mark. Axie Infinity Price Prediction 2023. Axie Infinity, AXS, has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the AXS with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $74.11. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2000